guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural remedy that would help you to get rid of your dark under hands. Now I tend to have dark under hands. I've actually scrubbed it today. I'm going to be scrubbing it tomorrow, tomorrow, the next day, and 5 days, and I'm gonna be good. Okay, sometimes we might experience this dark under hands because of hormone changing in the body, because of your cream, because of the weather, and because of you not being hygienic enough, like not washing your under hands. Okay, so these are some of the factors that causes your dark under hands. Now using a natural remedy would help you to hasten up the results, and it will make it permanent. Okay, so that's it. If you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. Alright, to remove dark under hands, we're going to be making use of baking soda. The mild exfoliating property of baking soda makes it a wonder ingredient to help banish acne and pimples from your skin. It is safe to be used on the face and under the hands to remove darkness, pimples, blemishes, and dark spots. It prevents further breakouts from your skin. It removes bacterial and build-up of scars. Alright guys, so we're going to be needing gram flour. Gram flour has certain properties that treat acne and has been used for this purpose in India for centuries. It has been shown to fight the infections that cause your face to erupt with acne. Secondly, it also helps to control the excessive sebum production and soothe inflamed skin. It also helps to remove darkness under the hands. Then we're going to be needing carrots. Carrot contains vitamin C, which has healing property. It helps skin recover faster from external wounds and trauma. Beta-carotene in carrot also reduces skin inflammation, which speeds the healing process of the skin, and it also helps to eliminate dead cells, dead tissue, and dead skins, revealing a brighter and a newer skin at the under armpit area. So we're going to be putting in coconut oil. Coconut oil is a wonderful remedy to the skin. It helps the skin glow. It also helps the skin hydrate. It helps to improve skin elasticity, and it's also helps for collagen production. Coconut oil has antioxidants such as vitamin E and vitamin A, which helps to slow down the aging process and may help to reduce the damage from the free radicals of the sun. So it's going to help to remove darkness under your armpits. So for the baking soda, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of that. We're going to be needing to use pure gram flour, 1 tablespoon as well. We'll be putting in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And now for the carrot, we'd have to get the juice out of this carrot anyways, so I'm just going to be grating it. So we're going to be sieving in the carrot juice into this treatment, and just a little quantity will go a long way. Then we're going to stir this all up. So the juice is not enough, so I'm gonna be putting just a little. And this is perfect, guys. Now you have to use this once a day, either in the morning or in the evening, for some while, and the darkness under your armpits is just going to go off. Okay. What's up, guys? So here is the dark underhand treatment, and here, like you can see, my underhand is actually getting dark. I don't know, everything in my body is just changing. Like, oh my god, what's happening? Why do I have acne? What? But nonetheless, I'm a happy woman. Anyway, so this is how it is. Right now, there's nothing there. And now, I would have to be using this and cover all of the darkness. Up. Yep. This side is even more darker, like what? But yeah, I still have to take care of my skin. Alright, okay guys, so I'm actually going to be holding it for approximately 5 minutes. I'm very comfortable right now. I've actually not even taken my bath yet. So I'm going to be taking my bath this morning, and well, I'm not saying that it's just going to go like magic, but of course I'm still going to continue applying it. So I'm still going to continue applying it for like 5 days, yeah, so that it's gonna get lighter, because I can't stand having dark underhands. All right, so you just leave it there. It's just going to, you know, soften those dead skin cells. Okay guys, so that's how you're going to do it. You're going to apply it for 5 days, all right? And after 5 days, you're going to see a huge result. The result is going to be enormous. Just, you know, rub it and leave it, and let's see how it's going. Okay guys, so you have to scrub this. Like, I scrubbed my 2 armpits and it's been good. I feel better. I'm going to be scrubbing it again, just like I earlier said. And yeah, do that for 5 days, and the result is going to be very visible and very beautiful. Your underhands is going to get lighter. Okay, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.